Today I'm going to show you how to use /clone. So first I'm going to build a house and then clone it. Here are my materials. Okay. Now here all the way to the highest point and the farthest. Here. Oh yeah, I also added this. Now I'm gonna put this dirt back. Okay, so now that I have it already cloned, since I went 2 blocks deeper, 2 blocks underground. And then enter. As you can see, it's a perfect replica. So how clone works is if you're on computer version, you can go clone tab at the block you're looking at, which is this one. I like to do enter even though it's incomplete, and then you choose this other area. You want to do the lowest bottom point and then the highest top point. How it worked is I did here, which is it clones everything 2 blocks underground to all the way up here. We cloned this, so it was supposed to clone. It was supposed to clone. What's that error? Wait. Wait, what did that pressure plate do? That pressure plate was supposed to make another clone of this house, so we could have 3 clones. Wait, what is this? I mean, where's the other cloned house? Wait, why am I teleported here now? Lucky blocks. Oh, now there's no music. In the other one, I didn't really notice the music. Bro, what? Now this, I just press play on those lucky blocks, and now it's bringing. Wait a minute. Wait, what? This is me. I'm here. Oh, with underwear. with underwear. Okay, click to. This is probably Roblox. Wait. What? Roblox. Avatar?